Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon, ma'am. Afternoon, ma'am.
So, any doubts? Have you completed the addition mark or quadratic equations?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
Ma'am, I had doubt in the 12th one in forming the equation.
12th, which question? Which exercise?
4.13 ma'am.
13th one. And 12th question, you're right. Who has solved this question? 12th question, anyone solved? Thirteenth exercise, 12th question.
Ma'am, I have doubt on 12th.
Okay. Yes. Anyone has solved it?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So at t minutes past 2 p.m., that means after 2, some t minutes after that, the time needed by the minute hand and a clock. One second, let me copy the question. This is the exemplar question. At t minutes past 2 p.m., the time needed by the minute hand of a clock to show 3 p.m. of a clock, minute hand of a clock is there, not and a clock. To show 3 p.m. was found to be 3 minutes less than t square by 4 minutes. Find t. Now it is after 2 p.m., some minutes after 2 p.m. It's past 2, that means after 2 p.m. The time needed by the minute hand of a clock to show 3. So how much time left out? This is a clock, for example. Minute hand, sorry, 2:10. Suppose for example, 10 minutes past 2. Means how much was the time?
2:10.
2:10. Now how long it will take to make 3?
50 minutes.
It's 50 minutes. Now if it is 22 minutes past 2, what is the time?
48 minutes.
38 minutes.
2:22. And how much time left out to make 3?
38 minutes.
28 minutes. Now here this 22 minutes or 10 minutes we don't know. We need only, we have 30 minute past 2 means the minute hand is somewhere after 2 o'clock. So maybe here, suppose it is. So this is t minutes duration. Now how long it will take to complete 3 o'clock?
T square by 4.
No. How long it will take to make 3? To show 3
3
o'clock.
minus
T square by 4 minus 3.
Have you got 38 minutes? Have you got 50 minutes?
60 minus
60 minus.
Now it is now t minutes past 2. So how long it will take to make show 3?
60
60
minus
minus 2.
3.
So 60 minus t minutes. So the time needed, how much is the time needed to show 3? is equal to 60 minus t minutes, right? Is it clear?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
this is equal to 3 minutes less than t square by 4 minutes. This time is 3 less than t square by 4. Is it clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now solve it. 60 minus t is equal to t square minus 4, 12 by 4. Here multiply with 4. 240 minus 40 is equal to t square minus 12. 0 is equal to t square plus 40 minus 12 minus 240. T square plus 40 minus 252. Now we have to factorize 252. 2 into 1, 2, 6.
I'm 18 and 14.
So t plus 18, t minus 14. So t is equal to minus 18 or t is
Ma'am,
equal to 14. Yes.
ma'am, I didn't understand 60 minus t.
Just now I've given you one question example. So in place of that, substitute t. T minutes past 2 means what? 2:10 is the timing. So how long it will take to make complete 3 o'clock? How long it will
50,
take to 50 minutes? How you calculate 50?
60 minus t.
You have given your answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Ma'am, I didn't get fifth one also.
Fifth one. If the list price of the toy last yesterday only we have done, I think so that question. Fifth
Ma'am,
one
I got disconnected in the last 5-10 minutes.
completed this question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the question. Any other doubts? Any of the chapter doubt? Yes, Yuvika?
I have a doubt in the 11th and 10th one.
11th main. Okay. In the center of the rectangular lawn of dimensions 50 into 40 meter, in the center of the rectangular lawn of dimensions 50 meter into 40 meter, a rectangular pond has to be constructed to the so that the area of the grass surrounding the pond would be 1184 meters square. Find the length and breadth of the pond. So this is a rectangular pond first, the rectangular park, rectangular lawn is there, which is 50 by 40 meters. Then at the center of this pond has to be constructed. So this pond, the area of this outside part in between, this one intermediate part. So this part area is 1184. Area of this is 1184 meters square. Find the length and breadth of the pond. So this length and breadth of the pond. So what is the length? If the width of this grass is same, the grass field is this one. So this width is same. So we'll consider this width as x. This is also x. This is also x. The uniform width it has. Then tell me what is the length of the pond?
50 minus x plus x.
This is x, this is x. This full x plus length plus x is equal to 50. That means what is length? Is equal to 50 minus 2x meters. And breadth of the pond? That is equal to, this full thing is 40 and this width is also same. That is x. That means 40 minus 2x. Now what is the area of the grass? 1184 they have given. So that means what is the area of the pond? Is equal to area of outer rectangle minus area of grass. This grassy area. So what is the outer rectangle area? 50 into 40 minus the grass area is 1184. So this is equal to 2000 minus 1184. This is equal to 816 meters square. So now here length and breadth of the pond you already have. So length into breadth is equal to 816. What is length? 50 minus 2x. Breadth is 40 minus 2x is equal to 816. Clear now? So here you have to consider that is a width of that grass area is equal. This kind of questions you have solved earlier. Now here we have to find out the value of x. So for finding value of x, there is a quadratic equation will be found. So this is multiply 2000 minus 100x minus 80x plus 4x square is equal to 816. 4x square minus 180x plus 2000 minus 816 is equal to 0. 4x square minus 180x plus already 2000 minus 1184 is 816. So that means this value is 1184 is equal to 0. It is divisible by 4. Yes, it is divisible by 4. X square minus 4 4s are 4 5s are 45x, 4 2s are 8, 30, 4 9s are 36, 2 4 6s are. This is our equation 296. We have to solve 296. Seven. It is 296.
And 37 and 8.
7 to 28 for 4 is 437 into 2. 4 to the 8. So x minus 37 and x plus 8 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 37 or minus 8. Minus 8 not possible. So x is equal to 37. So width is 37 units. width of grass lawn is equal to 37 units, 37 meters. So length is equal to 50, no, it's not possible. Minus, sorry, this is minus, this is also minus, this is plus. 37 units not possible because 50 minus 37, the negative values we will get. So this one is equal to 8 meters. So 50 into 2 8s are 16, 50 minus 16, that is 34 meters. And breadth is equal to 4 minus 16, 40 minus 16, that is equal to 24 meters.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have a doubt in the 13th exercise, 8th one.
13th exercise, 8th one. There is pole.
Yes,
The pole has to be erected.
yes, ma'am.
That is NCRT question. At the end of NCRT, we have solved that question. And even in 10th exercise, we have solved the same question. Check once again. Five and 12 is the answer. NCRT, at the end of NCRT, we have solved that question. I told you it is a solved question of NCRT and which is asked many times.
Okay, ma'am, got it.
Okay. Yes, any other? Anyone else? Any other doubts you have?
Ma'am,
Yes, Charan?
ma'am, exercise 11, ma'am, 7th one, the sum of areas of two squares is 640 meters square.
The sum of areas of two squares is 640 and difference of perimeter. This is also NCRT with values different. What is the equation you have found?
Equation, I got x square plus y square minus 2. No, 1 minute, ma'am, 1 minute. Y square plus 16y minus 222.
Y square minus
No, plus 16 y minus 222.
222.
Ma'am, it
Yes,
should
ma'am.
come y square plus 16y minus 192.
Mistake you have done. Difference of their perimeters. 4x minus 4y is equal to 64. So x minus y is equal to 16. So x is equal to 16 plus y. So 16 plus y whole square plus y square is equal to 640. So 16 is 256 plus 32y plus y square is equal to 640. 2y square plus 32y plus 256 minus 640 is equal to 0. 2y square plus 32y minus 4 is equal to 0. So y square plus 16y minus 192 is equal to 0. 192.
Yes, ma'am.
Twenty-four and 8. Y is 8, x is 24.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anyone asked out?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you made us mark that example 6 before exercise 4.3. 13. I have a doubt in that.
4.13, which question? Example?
The example 6, a fact, then
A
11.
factory.
Yes, ma'am.
Factory kept increasing its output by the same percentage every year. Find the percentage if it is known that the output is doubled in the past 2 years. If it is known that output is doubled in the past 2 years. It get doubled. Okay. So here it is. Actually, you have to use the factory kept increasing its output by the same percentage every year. It's keep on increasing. So that means it is a compound interest formula. You have to use it here. Same percentage, it is increasing. So that means if it is increases every year by X%, we will take, because they're asking to find the percentage. So it is in X percentage, it is keep on increasing. So rate is X. You have to use it here, compound interest formula. What is the compound interest formula? Amount is equal to? Anyone? Compound interest formula? No one remember?
Ma'am, P bracket 1 by R
1
by
plus
100.
R by 100 to the power N. Now here the initial value we have to consider as a principal as P, and it is increasing the percentage, that is X% we will consider, and the amount, it is known that output is doubled in 2 years. So A is 2P, amount is doubled, and then in how many years? That is in 2 years. So 2P is equal to P into 1 plus X by 100 to the power 2. Now we have to solve this. This P will go that side, as this P, these P get cancelled. 2 is equal to 1 plus X by 100 square. So this is equal to 1 plus X square by 10,000 plus 2X by 100. That is X by 50. Or keep this 100. So better it is 2X by 100. Take the LCM. 10,000 plus X square plus it is 100. 200X by 10,000 is equal to 2. So 20,000 is equal to 10,000 plus X square plus 200X. So X square plus 200X minus 10,000 is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize it. And since you have to use, yes?
600 minus 400.
600 and 400.
No, ma'am, it won't.
No, it won't come. No, it is 5 zeros. It won't work out.
Ma'am, how much marks will this come in the exam?
This still didn't come in exam. If it will come, then 3 marks.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, but in exam, these kind of compound interest sums would be, there'd be a lot of these kind of compound interest sums, right?
I have not seen.
Okay, ma'am.
This is the answer. If you substitute 1.41, we will get the answer percentage. This answer we got that side. 100 into minus 1. Yes, right. Same answer we got. Minus 1 minus root 2, not possible. If it is minus root 2, then it will be minus 1 plus root 2 should come. So this is equal to 100 into minus 1 plus 1.41. So it is 0.41 into 100, that is equal to 41, approximately 41.4%. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubts anyone has? Meghna, Nanika, are you solving? I don't think so you're solving any doing any homework. Meghna and Nanika, what are you doing? Yes, Nanika. Gulin, your mic is working? Yes, Gulin? Is your mic working? Yes? I think so it's working. Can I try again? One second. Yes, this is the one question.
This was the same question that you asked in the test, right?
One second. Where is Havish?
Ma'am, we should solve this now.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
This is not quadratic. This is the other chapter.
No. This is not quadratic equation. Quadratic equation we already have finished.
This is a test question, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Gulin. Can you hear me? Yeah. Can you hear me? Yes, ma'am. Yeah, Gulin is this. Hello. Can you tell me how to solve it? Can you switch on your video? No. It's okay. No problem. You can keep on your mic so that I can keep on writing. What? Yes, Gurleen? You don't know the answer. No. Right now, you have solved this question already. Yes, Gurleen. You have solved this question. It's not much back you have solved. So you can tell, no? I need to ask you from your side only because you are the alone person who has solved this question. No one else can solve this question. That's the reason I need to I need the answer because everyone has this doubt. Then how you have solved in the exam? I don't need the answer. I need the steps. Then how you have solved in the exam? At the time of exam. Why? This is every time happened. This happened every time. Yes. You people actually are thinking that is I won't get to know. Immediately from the style itself, your writing style itself, I will get to know. Yes, anyone knows answer?
So did everyone
Ma'am.
get this wrong in the test?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes. Yeah, Khushi. Where is Havish gone? Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Khushi.
ma'am, there are two planes flying at different heights.
Okay.
Like, let the planes be A and B.
A and B. One above the other?
Yes, ma'am, parallelly. So one above the other.
Okay. This point is A and this point B I will consider.
Ma'am, 1 second.
Switch on your video.
Mom,
Yes?
I missed the answer. 6250.
Yes, right.
So when I got in the test, ma'am.
When I got that.
Ma'am, even I got the same thing. Ma'am, let the
Yes.
point touching the ground be C.
Okay.
And the angle of elevation of B.
Faster.
Okay, when we
Yeah.
join B and C, the angle of elevation will be 30.
Angle of elevation will be 30. Okay.
And AC it will be 60 degree.
AC will be 60 degree. Fine. What is 3125? Here, suppose I will consider point D. So BD or AD?
BD is 3125.
So here. It's
Yes,
3125 meters. BD. And then AB you have to calculate. So consider AB as H.
Yes,
Half the
ma'am.
students got the answer, but half of the students have missed one thing. That is, they have considered AD distance as 3125. Half the students, not everyone. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, Shubha.
Ma'am, so this like I had a small doubt. They told one thing. 1 second. No, I'm no doubts. Clarify.
Answer AB is 6250 meters. Okay, so don't do that confusion. Read the question very carefully. And one more question students have did wrong. That is actually not reading the question properly. Actually, problem is. I think so. Question number it is. That's very easy question, but you have not read that properly. That's the reason you gone wrong. Giving few peoples, I already sent you the papers. 4 or 5 people still left out. All others I already sent. Here, what is given from the top of a tower 100 meter high, a man observes two cars on the opposite sides of the tower. And you people have taken on the same side of the tower. Okay, so read question very carefully. Even while solving, yes?
Ma'am, I didn't get the third one.
Which third one? Okay,
Ma'am,
that's
the
fine.
test
Yeah,
one.
first let me finish the one. Let me explain others their problem.
Okay, ma'am.
So here it is on the opposite side. Most of the students have taken that as on same side. So here and here. So this is 100 meter high tower, and from that angle of depressions. Naimika, where are the angle of depressions formed? Here or here, with the horizontal line or with vertical line? That means you have not solved any homework of this chapter. 30 and this is 45 degree. So this angle is 30 degree and this angle is 45 degree. All the angles of elevation or angle of depressions are always with horizontal line, not with vertical line. And then you can solve it. The answer is 100.
Is it fine if I didn't write the angle of depression directly with the
Fine,
angle?
but in exam don't do that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, in exam you have to draw, otherwise your school teacher will cut the marks for that. Okay, That mistake will be is clear. Nainika, hope your all doubts will be cleared because you have not solved anything properly. All the questions you have done the same mistake.
Ma'am,
Yes.
won't we get 1 mark for correct diagram at least?
Dimensions wrong, so I cut the marks. Dimensions consideration you have done wrong. That's the reason I cut full marks.
Okay, ma'am.
Khushi, you have solved fourth question, but the third question problem, both are the same thing, only value is different. Even the angles are also same, only the 5 meter and 1.46 meter, that is only the wrong. This is the question you were asking.
Ma'am, I got my mistake. It's okay, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay. Any other doubts of any of the earlier chapters you have? Yes?
Can you explain like how to do to do the two triangles that which came for 11th and 12th in the test?
Couldn't get.
The last two questions which came in the trigonometry test, no, ma'am.
Huh?
Can you explain how to do like any one of them? Can you explain?
Last two questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Both are different. Those are easier one.
Ma'am, I'm not understanding the part how to solve it when there are two triangles.
Everywhere you will get the two triangle questions only. Single triangle questions anywhere you will not get. And the last one has one triangle only, not two triangles.
Okay.
The ladder of length 6 meter makes an angle. Ladder of 6 meter. Ladder length is 6 meter. Angle 45 degree with the floor while leaning against on wall of a room. So this is a wall of a room. So here it is. This ladder makes angle of 45 degrees, whose length is 6 meters. And now keeping the this one floor, if the foot of the ladder is kept fixed on the wall, so this place is fixed, and then it is made to lean against the opposite wall. So opposite wall is here. If it is made to lean over it, so this angle of elevation will be now 60 degree. But this length remains same, 6 meter only. Find the distance between the two walls. So consider this as x1 and this as x2. So use cos 45 is equal to x1 by 6. 1 by root 2 is equal to x1 by 6. So x1 is equal to 6 by root 2. Rationalize always. Santosh, rationalization. Problem. You are not rationalized anywhere.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to rationalize. And cos 60.
But ma'am, same answer will come now, ma'am.
No, after
Like you
rationalization
take
it will be
every-
simplified. Yeah, after you have to simplify. But how you will divide with 0.732? Is it possible?
No, ma'am.
Sorry, x2 by 6. So x2 is equal to 3. So distance between the two walls is x1 plus x2. 3 root 2 plus 3. That is 3 into root 2 plus 1. This is the easier one. If there are the one single triangle has two inside that two triangles are there, that is somewhat difficult. These are easier ones.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Any other doubts you have?
There's one more thing. Like I know this may seem a bit dumb, but for the trigonometry applications question level 2, right? Will that come for the exam?
Yes, it will be.
Okay, ma'am.
Not all questions, whatever I marked, that questions you can solve.
Okay, ma'am.
Exemplar questions all are important. And exemplar, they have asked those questions, so they are important questions.
Okay, ma'am. I'll do that. Thank you.
Any other doubts you have? quadratic equation chapter, still anything you're doing, you got mistake, you didn't understand, anything is like that?
Ma'am,
Yes?
could you explain in the test first question the
Quadratic.
text?
This one,
No,
sorry.
ma'am. The
Application.
test. Yes, ma'am.
First question.
The man standing on top of a deck of a ship. That question.
A man standing on the deck of the ship, which is 10 meter above water level, and observes the angle of elevation of top of hill. So he is on the ship which is 10 meter above, and from that hill is there. So that is a seashore. So here will be hill. So from this point, angle of elevation of top of hill is 60 degrees. And angle of depression of the foot of the hill. Here is a foot of the hill. So that is 30 degrees. The distance of the hill from the ship, here to here distance here to calculate, that is x. And the height of the hill, that is h. This is 10. So this will be h minus 10. Diagram clear?
Yes, ma'am. I got my mistake. Thank you, ma'am.
And tan 60 and tan 30 you can use to find out h and x and h both. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Any other doubts anyone has? Still?
Ma'am, 10th one.
Huh?
10th one in the test.
There should be 2 marker, I think. A horizontal distance between 2 poles is 15 meter. The angle of depression of the 2 pole distance is 15 meter. Angle of depression of the top of the first pole. Depression, that means that first pole is at, this is first. It is at the lower position than the second one. So angle of depression on the top of the first pole from the top of the second pole is 30 degree. So this depression is 30 degree. That means this angle is 30 degree. And the height of the second pole is 24. So this full height is 24 meters. The height of the first pole you have to calculate. This is h. So this will be 24 minus h. Then tan 30 you can use it. This is 15, so this is 15. So tan 30 is equal to 24 minus h by 15. 1 by root 3 into 15 is equal to 24 minus h. 15 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3 is equal to 24 minus h. So it is 15 root 3 by 3, that is 5. 5 root 3 is equal to 24 minus h. H is equal to 24 minus 5 root 3. Any other doubts you have? Any of the chapter? Yeah, 1 second. Can you, this RS you have right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
RS, open the RS quadratic equation. I think so first or second exercise. This all equations are there. Just like RD has these all questions to be solved. Solving quadratic equations. In the last questions.
Now which exercise?
I don't remember the exercise number in that. Maybe check out this, all the list of questions, many questions are there, you have to solve by quadratic equation. List of questions are there, 50 questions are there, I think so.
Yes.
Yeah, in that
73 questions are there.
70 questions, 73 questions are there. The last questions, the exponent questions. Can you send me the picture of that? Yeah, got it. Yes, these questions I need. I don't have the book right now. Yeah, I got it. Got it. Ronak sent me all. So in that, these questions: 3 to the power x plus 2 plus 3 to the power minus x is equal to 10. Okay, such kind of a questions, how to solve.
Where is this?
RS Agarwal questions are there. So these type of questions are there. In this one, what you have to do, I have your homework question I have solved and sent you all. So here what you have to do is x plus 2 is there. You have to bifurcate it. So 3 to the power x into 3 to the power 2. Can you write like this? 3 to the power x into, this is x plus 2. So how that x plus 2 become? This x, when the base are same, then we add the exponents when there is a multiplication sign. So can we separate like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Plus 3 to the power minus x. Can we write 1 by 3 to the power x?
Yes, ma'am.
That is equal to 10. Got it? Now consider 3 to the power x as a or y, anything. And now simplify equation. So a into 3 square is 9 plus 1 by a is equal to 10. Clear this?
Yes, ma'am.
Now simplify this. 9a square plus 1 is equal to 10a. So 9a square minus 10a plus 1 is equal to 0. So now it is 9 into 1 is 9. That means 9 and 1. 9a square minus 9a minus a plus 1 is equal to 0. 9a into bracket a minus 1 minus 1 into bracket a minus 1 is equal to 0. 9a minus 1 a minus 1 is equal to 0. So value of a we got as 1 by 9, or value of a is equal to 1. Is it clear? Now we have to replace back. We have to calculate the value of x. So 3 to the power x is equal to a, that is 1 by 9, or 3 to the power x is equal to 1. Now we have to write in exponential form. 3 is this power, we have to write it. So 3 to the power x is equal to 1 by 3 square. That is 3 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power minus 2. So therefore value of x is minus 2. And here 3 to the power x, value of 1 means it is 3 to the power 0 is 1. So therefore value of x will be 0. Is this clear?
Can you please scroll up?
Havesh, where you were?
Ma'am, I got disconnected, ma'am.
For an hour?
Yes, ma'am, I couldn't connect. No, ma'am, I just went like 20 minutes or something. Okay. I was there.
Ma'am, where is the sum in RS, ma'am?
RS, Rana, which exercise number?
It's the first exercise.
First exercise, Santosh. Quadratic equation, first exercise.
Ma'am, did you assume the 3 to the power x is equal to a?
Without that, from where it will get, we will get it?
Okay.
How we will get that one? It's not there. A is not there. We have taken it as 3 to the power x. We have to consider it as a. And then after solving a, we have to come back to find x. Yes.
I have one more doubt. I mean, like it was in the worksheet.
Okay.
It's like x, find the value of x, and the equation is x by x minus 1 plus
Wait. X by x minus 1
plus x minus 1 by x is equal to 4.
Consider this fraction as a.
Ma'am, I tried that, but the equation is like I was not able to solve it.
We have a, sorry, a is 2 plus minus root 3.
After that, how do you
Yes,
find the
yes,
value?
yes, yes, that's what. X by x plus x minus 1 is equal to 2 plus root 3. X is equal to 2x plus root 3x minus 2 minus root 3. It's difficult.
Ma'am, will you be uploading this thing on YouTube?
Obviously. Now rationalize it.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Same thing for another value. 2 minus root 3. You have to do the same thing. You will get 2 minus root 3 by 1 plus root 3. But write the denominator as root 3 plus 1. Otherwise, you will get the negative values.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Havish. Havish.
Yes, ma'am.
From the next test, I will give you 25 on 25, or if it is 30 marks test, I will give you 30 on 30. No need to waste your ink.
No,
Okay?
No, ma'am.
No. So why I am wasting my ink, my time, and your time also? I will always give you 30 on 30. If it is a 30 marks test, I will give you 30 on 30. No need to waste your ink.
No, ma'am.
Anyhow, you are not wasting your brain. So why to waste ink also?
No, ma'am.
So other questions, can you solve? The other remaining 2 questions of the same kind, RS.
Yes, ma'am.
So you write down, who don't have, write down this question. 4 to the power x plus 1 plus 4 to the power 1 minus x is
And
equal
they're
to
all in
10.
the last, ma'am.
Huh?
They're all in the last.
Yeah, at the end, 71, 72, 73 questions.
Okay, ma'am.
And here 2 to the power 2x minus 3 into 2 to the power x plus 2 plus 32. Yes?
There's the page number.
I don't know. I don't have the book right now. Fourth, this one is quadratic equation, R.S. Agarwal, first exercise, last questions. 71, 72 and 73 questions.
Ma'am, 177. Please.
Page number 177.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the last part here, this question you can solve it by 2 to the power 2x is there here. So you can write this as 2x to the power x whole square minus 3 into 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 2 plus 32 is equal to 0. Is the simplification clear to you people?
Yes, ma'am.
Now consider 2 to the power x is equal to y. Then y square minus 3 into 2 square is 4. 4 into 3, 12y plus 32 is equal to 0. Now this quadratic equation you can solve. 8 4s the. So y plus 8, sorry, y minus 8, y minus 4 is equal to 0. So value of y is equal to 8 or value of y is equal to 4. That means 2 to the power x is equal to 8 or 2 to the power x is equal to 4. 2 to the power x is equal to 2 cube. So x is equal to 3. 2 to the power x is equal to 2 square. So x is equal to 2. Are this question clear? Okay.